FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Figma stock a buy? I'm about to break down my exact play with this in this quick 1-minute video. Well, who am I? Well, I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos, all documented over the last 5 years, straight every single day. And also, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to try to figure this stuff out, which you don't have to. In Figma, this is how it looked like for me. It came back, hit my break even. If I saw a double break, I was looking to take it down. And guess what? It's a guaranteed beat right now as well. So we could be taking a second break even in a row, or we could be taking this W this time. And how will we know what the outcome is going to be? Well, we have to wait to whatever the price is going to give me. You know what I mean? Pre-market is a bit higher, but it is what it is. And let me share the yesterday's video. All right, this was made 13th of August yesterday. Pre-market, of course. And this is exactly what I looked to do. It was 88 bucks pre-market, and now we're at 81. So
why still a sell though?
That's that. If you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.